Hello again and welcome to Jeeves. For this tutorial, we are going to show you what you can do once your helper gets approved by the PMO. Let's get started. First, tap Helpers. Tap on a helper that has already been approved. This is the helper's profile page. Here, you can see some information regarding your helper. First, you can toggle their permission setting. This setting determines whether your helper will require explicit permission from you each time they want to exit the building. Second, you can provide your helper with their electronic pass by tapping the QR code. You can screenshot or download this pass and then send it to your helper. The front desk can just scan the electronic pass, and it will provide them with the helper's information, as well as tell them whether the helper has your permission to exit the building. If they do not have permission, the front desk can ask you for it, using through the Jeeves app. And once approved, the front desk will be informed immediately, and the helper will be able to exit the building. Okay, we're done. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.